No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
What's up everybody, No-Handed Bandit here. Today, no Pokemon, but we're here at Hunter Park. I wanted to give a little follow-up on those Hickey shoelaces. After wearing them for 1 month, I've noticed that sometimes they come unsnapped. I wouldn't recommend them for running, but if you just are wearing shoes casually, then I would recommend the Hickeys. If you're running, I would recommend the Yanks. Anyways, what today's video about is I have a new toy that's gonna help make my videos look cool, even cooler than they were. The toy that I have is right here. This is the Mavic Pro, and it's a little scary to fly. I flew it in my living room a couple times. Had a little run-in with the wall, but today's my first flight outdoors. We're gonna try to get some good video of the park. Hopefully we can. There was a couple that was making out over there. I think they ran away because they saw the camera. But anyways, let's go ahead and start this thing. First thing I need to do is I need to take the case off of my camera. I mean my phone, because the phone is actually part of the controller. So we had to have installed a program called DJI 4.0. Now the controller, so I'm gonna pull this out, and then the other side pulls out also. And then, let's see here, we have this little cord. I have to plug one side into the controller. The phone becomes part of the monitor, or becomes the monitor for you. Okay, so I got that in, but I'm gonna turn on my DJI Go 4 app. Then I'm gonna plug this into my phone. Go. And now I slide the phone into this. Know that cable in there. He was in my ward a while ago. He's homeless now. Okay, so here we go. So what I'll do is I'll turn on this. You hit it twice, but the second one is a hold. 1, 2. Then, wait, I thought that was on. 1, 2. You hear that beep, it's on. And then this guy, same thing. 1, 2. And then you see those red lights turn on, that means it's on. Okay. So I'm going to connect to the aircraft using the remote controller. So now it's linking the remote. Taking forever. And while it's doing that, I'm going to show you how to unfold the arms. So the top arms just fold out like this, and then the other two rotate backwards. Okay, it says go fly. I guess it did work. Calibrate the compass and ensure there are no magnets or metal. So this is the part where I was worried about. So it says that I need to make sure there's no metal or magnets. And in fact, I have a couple magnets and I have a lot of metal. That's why they stop me every time when I go through the airport security. And then I go watch the jazz. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my arms off and I'm gonna lay it on this blanket. Step one. So I'm gonna pick this up, rotate aircraft 360 degrees, horizontally unfold the aircraft arms as indicated. Point the nose down. Okay, so now I need to point the nose down and then spin 360 degrees. Let's see if it's got it. And it looks like it's updated. I mean, the compass is good. Now, there's one other thing I needed to, now I'm gonna get my arms on. Okay, so the props, you're gonna stick them on. Some are marked. You can see this one doesn't have any white strips. And then this, the top of this does not have any white strips. This one does. So I know this guy, he goes on here. And I gotta push it down and turn. And you can see the lock symbol says to turn this way, to turn right. There. So that's on. And then we get another one. This one, you can see it has the stripes, which is, it's almost a little scratched off, but that's because it takes me a little bit more effort to get it off. So I'm gonna stick it down on top of that, and it has a spring on there. You gotta push down. And then it says to turn this way to lock. Okay, hopefully that's locked. Okay, finally, gotta get the antennas up on the remote. And this thing is it's like it's $1,000 machine at least, depending which one you fly. I mean, which package you buy. But I think both packages are $1,000. So you want to be careful with it. I'm trying to be careful. It might look like I'm not. There we go. Okay. So there is a button right here. It says to take off. We're gonna get back a little ways and then I'm gonna hit that button. And then it says slide to take off. Here we go. I should have I'm gonna start recording and then I'm gonna turn it a little bit. Nope, not that way. We'll get the cameraman. And then we're gonna go up in a little bit in the air. There we go. We're recording. Gonna go up in the air a little ways. Try to be smooth. Dang. Turn it. That's the highest I've ever flown this thing. But that's Hunter Park right there for you. And this thing's supposed to stop if I'm gonna run into something. Should I try it? That's the question. Whoa, look at that, it stopped. I think the more I fly this thing, the more better I'm gonna get. Okay, I'm gonna push the return home button and I wanna see if it does that. I'm gonna try to fly into the cameraman. Just kidding. Where is the home button? Oh, okay, so there's the home button. I wanna see if it does go home. Return to home and land. So we have a little table over there. Hopefully it lands on it. Oh, look at that. Go home. Don't go straight up to the sky in heaven. Go to your heavenly Father. Go home. Dang. All right, that's my first flight.